So, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be fart assing around with blow off valves on, and so like the plan is to make it soot, and apparently you can block it off with that. So we're going to give it a crack. Not sure how it's going to turn out or if it's actually going to work. Yeah, I know I need to replace the mirror, it's still messed up, but anyways, yeah, so Jack's just gonna get his car in here, and then, yeah, since we have the, new springs, do we scrape? I feel like we're gonna scrape. Apparently not, no scraping. Now, my driveway is like horrible to get into, so like, yeah. You kind of got to like get close everywhere. And,
so we are vlogging today.
Yeah, of course, always vlogging. So this is Jack. Say hi.
Yeah, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog.
I already said that part.
Damn it!
But I didn't say that second half of it.
Welcome back to another episode of the Driving Society.
What's the bit more of a problem?
So this is a big clamp, and your pliers don't seem to have the width required.
Well, I got bigger pliers.
You got bigger pliers.
Yeah. How
So,
big do you need?
just a little bit bigger than that.
Okay.
Can we make that happen? Oh yeah. They should do. So I got one of the hoses off. I've never actually pulled a blow-off
He's
valve.
got one of the hoses off.
I've never actually pulled a blow-off valve off a
He's
car.
never done this before.
When have we ever done things like this before?
Good point, good point.
I've never owned
I
it.
reckon you should get rid of the R on Cork Sport.
I'm getting a new one anyway.
Get rid of both R's, so then it's just Cock Spot.
Okay. I'm with that. Fucking...
You know, if I were you, I probably would have left the bolts in first.
Can you grab the blow-off valve?
Now you're making me do stuff.
Cool.
I feel like this is a two-handed job. Oh, it's like almost there. Come on, man.
Go.
Beep, beep,
That didn't feel good.
Thingy.
Something snap? Hey, that's a blow-off valve.
Blow-off valve. It makes it...
Alright.
Should definitely just mount it there permanently. Just like cut a hole in your hood.
What?
The... yeah. I
No,
feel
but
like
then
that'd be
everyone
sick.
can see my really bad...
Oh, yeah, not on video, not on video. Oh, saved it.
That's a differential on it, huh? So, we got the blow-off valve off by just pulling this hose and that hose off. Obviously had to take the air intake off to it. I went to Bunnings, bought a bit of sheet metal, 20 bucks. If anyone wants to do this to their car, just hit me up, I've got some spare metal. So we cut a square out, traced the blow-up valve and put the dots of where the bolt holes are. And Mitch has very kindly punched through for me. So now we're going to make them the correct diameter to fit the hole.
By drilling.
By drilling. Yeah. And then, in theory...
Well, I mean, we still got to cut it out.
Yeah, but yeah, after that. But yeah, any tools will do. We use these garden-looking clipping ones.
And you got a spider or something in the lens thing.
Oh, true. Nice.
Never seen one of those before. Anyways, is
Yeah.
it in the frame or not?
So this is the complex nature of a blow-off valve. It simply runs off of two hoses, one which pressurizes it and one which is the release, I believe. So when this senses that the turbo's not doing anything anymore, this pushes down and it opens into here, which then sends the air back out the intake and you get the whoosh noise as you let off the throttle, as you guys probably heard in the last video, and here's another clip now. So we've cut the sheet into the correct blocking format, so obviously there's no hole there now. The bolts fit through, which is a good thing. One of them fell out. Yep, so they fit. We're just tightening it up just so it won't cut any hoses or anything, but yeah, we're nearly ready to go. So we'll just file this and get it all tidied up, and then we'll put it on the car, see how we go. Alright, so we've finished filing. Mitch is just making sure it's definitely flat-ish, like some people think the world is.
Oh, it definitely is. I don't know why people worry about global warming, because when we mess it up, just flip it over, good as new.
Okay then. So, car's filthy. Do apologise. Hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks.
I don't. So, that's meant to go like that?
Yeah. So that goes on there, then it goes on top, and I'm pretty sure it goes in that way.
Yeah.
Alright, we need 2 hands for both of us to do this, so I'll put you guys down just over here. We'll do. Yeah, that works. Mini car mods. So everything's back to how it was. We'll now go and test, and hopefully,
Maybe more Flutter.
fingers crossed.
Oh my gosh, what do we think?
So we did a little rev in the driveway, and we're quite impressed.
Yeah,
so.
haven't even sent it. I'm actually really happy with that.
I am too. I'm quite surprised
That's
it turned out
beautiful.
so well.
Oh my gosh. That's nuts! I want to do that now. You actually have like a flutter instead of just a psh. It's like an actual flutter.
I want to go, but I don't want to do it in front of these people because yeah, I reckon.
No.
Oh, he's fine. It holds better.
It holds better?
Yeah.
So, longer to spool up, but once it's up, it stays up?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm happy with that.
Fuck.
Oh man. Whoa.
Fuck, that sounds
That
so
sounds a lot better. Oh my gosh. Alright, what are you doing next weekend? Are we doing mine?
good. Yeah, we're doing yours. It's got to happen.
It's gotta happen.
It is going to end our turbocharged adventure for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, as I said, if you do need some material and you got a turbo car, like, hit me up. I'm happy to give you some because I'm not going to use any more of it, I don't think.
It is very easy to do. We managed to do it and we didn't know what we were doing.
It's about an hour. Probably take us about an hour now that
40 minutes.
Yeah. 40 minutes now that we know what we're doing. But anyway, down below, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. I don't see why you shouldn't. Comment any ideas you want to see in the future, but that's all for today, guys. Have a great week. Peace. Subscribe.